Alright guys, going to be a quick video on how to make a Russian Scion. All I've done is gotten two boards. It'll be the top, two 2x4s which will hang down. I've got my little burner there. I've got my wax melted. Now if I can just get my dang camera to stay up there again. There we go. I'm going to put about 5 or 6 drops of lemongrass oil in it. Get a good odoriferous smell going. Be very, very careful. This is how I do it. You do it whichever way you want. This is for just how I do things. Then I'm going to take each 2x4 and I'm just going to paint the wax on it. I do not want to use my roller because the roller I have is for waxing foundation. So I don't want to get all that lemongrass smell on the foundation. I don't know whether it'd make them draw it out faster or what, but I just don't want to take that chance. But like I said, I'm going to do this, and what happens during the heating of the day, it will heat this up. I'll link the video to down below where I've set up a Russian Scion and shows you that it works. I just used basically a frame of old brood comb, put a little squirt of Swarm Commander on it and stuck it out in the bee yard because I knew I had a hive that was going to swarm that day, but I did not want to spend all day out there watching it. So every 30 minutes, an hour, I'd peek out there and look at the Russian Scion, and at one point I looked out there and by George, they were clustering up on it. So the video is me walking down to it. But that's basically it. You just paint it on there real good. As the day heats it up, it'll get that smell in the air, and if a swarm hits the air, they usually come to it. We'll stop at that, and then I'll just get my screw. I've already pre-drilled the holes through the top. So all I'm going to do is move the wax. Notice I'm not moving it with the burner on. That'd be kind of stupid, but you know, wouldn't be the first time people did stupid stuff. Just said waxed. Well, guess I need to hold that. And what I'll do is I'll put a little eye bolt up there, a little hook, and just hang it from a pole, hang it from a tree, and let it flap in the breeze, and that's it. I'll probably put a little bit of the wax up in there, but that's it. It's simple. Hopefully I'll have a video shortly, because it is beginning of swarm season, of them lighting on one of these. Thanks for watching, Woolly Bees.